People, wagwan, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Best upon yourself as usual, like and share, people, because today I'm going to talk about some people that step on social media. So get used to it. If you're new running, so subscribe, like and share, people, because what are we all caca I step out and I talk about some things in the people. I mean, I'm not going to know what I talk about people, because that's not come off a door. I'm not going to hear what I talk about people. Me say, guys, caca I say, no people on social media work witchcraft and obia. Me say what a situation. Me say guys, it always say in life, it takes one to know one. You get me? I say, I remember these people. And I know where you say kaka I work the iron and the powder. So I understand how she come out now. And I see enough people that on social media work it. Yeah? Because I get some people. Marcia is an example. You can look on her face and you can judge her how she move on, what she do on social media. A long time she involved in everything. Yeah. And when she come out, she talk about herself. Because we see she going to her church now, and then she pretend and she use the church to cover up certain things. I will know say deep down inside, you see she share somebody's kick up on social media. Can you see Marcia? You see she quiet for a couple of days, And when she raises the views now go up, she just start cuss. You see me? Or somebody travel her, she just come back for them and thing because she realized the mix up sell. She realized when she come out and talk normal and thing, she not the views and things, she not the amount of revenue. So when she come out now and throw her shade them on the people them and as enough of them work witchcraft and hobby. I say to myself, say, this goes for you, Marcia. You must do them thing, yeah. You know you work hobby. You don't have to ask Christ. Because the whole thing with your pastor what they and thing, you come out and say a lie. We know say that try something for Erica. But guess something? You're not going to come out and admit it. You're not going to come out and admit it. But there's something about you that's not right. There's something about you that's unbalanced and thing. And when you come out and I talk about enough people on social media work over, you need to come out and tell you who. Yeah, man, tell you who. Because since you're big, bad and brave and bold, and you can come out and say them things, you need to tell the people them who are going. Tell the people them who want to work it. Because you know, say you at the tree. You know, say you are the base of the tree, and you are the one who start it. You see me? So anybody that's start to work it right now, you the my father, because you is the main over work up on social media. We already know that you're so stagnant. You live in a house and it belong to you. You see me? And you wait for the man to pass away before you get every little thing on your hands. You talk about you not come out and cuss nobody while you're on your church platform. I say to myself, say, come on man, MC. You know say you have to cuss some people eventually. You know. Because this is all about the views, likes, and share. We know the whole social media thing go. And you not going to do your see your thing and water down and you know, come out and cause no trouble. You get me I say? Or somebody talk about you and come talk about them. So you can't phone nobody and thing. And when you talk, you have to be careful you say to your mouth. Because guess what, know? Some people on social media were involved in things with you. Them not involved in a witchcraft. But you think so. Because you feel so the people, them torment and them haunted. But sometimes you, why people trouble you, how you see it to your mouth. And sometimes people just see you as a little joking stock and then just decide them want to trouble you. You is like the number one troubling stock on social media. As them see you, them see comedy. You is like the comedy boss. You is like IT and fancy cat. You see me? You is like a big joker. You is like the big bird. The big yellow bird on Sesame Street, yeah, that is you. So when you see you want to laugh for your thing, say nothing at all about you no good. Get me I say? So you have to address a statement better, man. Oh, you know, so the people don't work over here. Because the way they deal with you. People not for over here. People can just decide to just come out for you and just talk about you. Because people free to talk what they want to talk. Say. And you can't force somebody to like you. So if enough people don't like you, and you are the reason why. And people can just decide them don't want have nothing to do with you and then not like you. And you can't not talk about that. So you have to just understand yourself and set yourself straight and get a house for yourself and stop catching people in a people's house. And they come on social media and I run off your mouth and thing. And there's nothing about you or you're good for that pay be a tax and bill. That today America do 40 years. Tax and bill and all these things. And if you understand, say yo, and everybody still like you, and everybody have got church, forget what they want. It's not everybody have got church, forget talk to pastor, forget what they want. When you come, so now you come out, and say about you go to the pastor to pray for you because you want change in your life and thing. You can make change. Everything at all and take it to pastor I want to know so you can pray for yourself and thing. You can pray for yourself and anoint yourself. But you want people to anoint you. You want people to bless you. And you can bless your own self. You see me? And every thing at all you do, you go to the pastor. And I know what you see you work it. And I know what you see you work it and thing. Some people, they don't tell you back in the past and things are them things you love. And them things you involved in. That's the other time you head. So you come out and talk about the people them on social media. Love work, obia, and witchcraft. You are part of it too. You is a part of the whole system. You is the main head of it. So you know what go on. Like I said before, it takes one to know one. Yeah? Because you this slim and because you get big and fat now. A wrongs what you do. A things what you do. Come back and haunt you. Because sometimes one thing, you know, in our life, we are grow up, you know, and we get old and we look so nice. And never suddenly, you know, we just mash up. And people wonder, oh, mash up, so. Are things what we do. Are the sin pan we. Yeah? Are the sin we are carry pan we. Because you, for your lady, will live upon earth so much. Have one pitney alone. Who does that? And then when you don't talk about planka bass, God say must be fruitful and replenish the earth. And you just bring one child. That will tell you on the mean and squingy. And that's why you don't like parent. That's why you want to catch in the man house. That's why you want to live in your car because you don't have no ambition. That's a fact. No joke thing about you. So when you come on social media and address certain things, nobody not look upon you. Nobody ain't looking at you because the people them know them for themselves. So you is a stagnant, gruff, workless somebody. All you good for talk about is where you one way you vote for and more tax you pay and all these things. And life is not about that. There's more things to that than life. You get me I say? So when you come out now you said certain things, you can't afford nobody. Because the people them know say are you out with the wobia. The people them know say are you out with the witchcraft. The people them know say you are the one who hold down people. The people them know say you are the one on the street. And that's why things now work out for you. Why you thinking of getting a house for yourself? Why you think so? Oh, because America life hard. No. No. Because you indulge not too much dangerous things. Get me I say? Too much past and thing you put have your hand pan you. Too much different people have them hand pan you. So you speak about them. You are corrupt. You are corrupt and dirty. You see me? And you do anything at all to get attention. So when you say that and thing about the people them on social media cause you have a thing, something wrong with you. Yeah? Because it's not anybody you think will cause you. You feel say them is such person. We cannot judge it by cover. We can't do this and like I say, time they can already do this and we don't know for ourselves. Or you certain set of people them work over there and witchcraft. Or you know that. Because them talk about you, them free to talk about you, them free to eat if they want. You see me? Because that is the social media. That is social media. So whether somebody want to eat you or love you and thing, it's up to them. But when you come out now, you say that and thing, no, you don't look good. Look for yourself. Look at yourself first before you look at somebody else. Anybody at all would I think work witchcraft on social media? I must you. For you look upon you, you see it. From you look upon you, you see it. For you look upon you, you see corruptness. You see wickedness. It depends you, it in your face. You see me? That's why it's a stagnant. Because the stagnant people, them eyes look away in them face. Stressful and all them thing there. And them make money. And them work. And yet still they can see it upon them so them stress. So sometimes one thing in the people, it's when them see company alive and act joyful and thing. More time I go through stress. More time she go through stress, should I say. And she not come talk it on social media. So you have to know what you do. But people that work this and work that and thing. Talk about yourself. Talk about where you work. See me? Talk about yourself and where you work and one way help bring down. Talk about the people them who you help hurt and all them things there. See me? You are not that good looking. You're hard to look upon. So I understand where you get poster from. See me? It not look good. People them attack, the streets attack. You have to start, you have to just decide for this, yo. Call it a day and just go sit down, people. See me? MC, you go sit down, come off of social media because guess what? You have to learn to take correction. You cannot say the people them are work things or you are work things by your own self. That's your face and you look so. Mad out. I'm out.